Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. So again, in case you didn't see the video yesterday, we switched over to trading view charts for a while so more people can follow along, set up their charts the same way we do, and I'll be going through that more and more. By the way, the referral code is down in the description below. If you want to even sign up for a free trial, please use that referral code because it helps support the channel. We really appreciate that. That's how we keep having these videos come to you for free. And we're going to start doing some live streaming where we'll take requests, whether it be cryptos or stocks or whatever, so we can figure out how to do some analysis together. Bitcoin. We had our key level 9607, which I rounded down to 9600. We got the close below it. Then the next level we were watching 9391 with the rising 200 and this critical level. These lines are the ones I put on the chart yesterday. Coming down there, spiking down there, and then nice strong reversal up to the key resistance area. So didn't quite make it to 9835 yet. This bar just closed, but nice strong reversal to take us back into the consolidation area. So again, 98.35 above there. We're watching 98.88, which is this minor high. The real key levels we're watching 99.65, 10,042. Then if you start rallying above there, you can start watching for 10,120, and then major area 10,210 about. Again, if we get another close below 9607, then watch back for the test of 9391 to 9400. If that breaks, then you have 9270, 9125. Then what's that last one? Let me see here. 8980. Let's take a look at that daily chart for Bitcoin. Let me get some data here. All right. So you see spiking down. And again, this is why we watch things on a closing basis. Yesterday closing above the rotation zone, today spiking down right through the rotation zone, but we talked about this level right below it and then rallying back up, so clearly above the rotation zone still. That's where we watch for the key closes. So you can see all these key levels. The 89.80 very key if we did sell off, because that's where the rising 50 is. That's really it on Bitcoin. I'm going to switch over to Ethereum. There's the daily chart. Let me drop to the 4-hour chart. So it had a minor sell-off, but again, closing just above the 50. And then rallying back up into the key area, this key consolidation area. So we were watching 240. Got the close below it, little spike down, closed just above the 50, now returning there. Key level on a rally, 245.47, 245.50 above there. Then we'll be watching, you might have some minor resistance about 249. Then 252 is another minor. Then we're going to start watching for, if we get to new recent swing highs, 257.10 and 260.60. If we did break below and got some soft below 233.15, then we'd be watching for 225.60, 222.10, and 218.60. Switch over to the daily chart. So again, little spike into the rotation zone and rotating back up, clearly above the rotation zone again. This is still supporting bullish price action, although for both Bitcoin and Ethereum on these rallies, we are still getting selling pressure. That's why it keeps getting stuck in this range. That's why I'm really going to watch, especially in that 4-hour chart, key closes above the level. So really, I'm watching for that key close above 245.47 to really put us into a solid rotation back up. And then the next key level I'll be watching is a close above 249. Now keep in mind that could all happen in one bar, but those are the key levels we're watching for the closes above. Other than that, not much to talk about. Price action is starting to pick up now, a Sunday afternoon here, Chicago time. So we'll be watching it into the evening, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Again, if you're going to sign up for TradingView, please use the link below. You can even sign up for a free account, because you can do some of this analysis with just a free account. You can't use all the indicators we use, but you can do some of it, and especially do some of the key Gann projections on your own charts, and really start to learn how to analyze the markets. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.